A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Vodafone to 3UK, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Make sure your Vodafone account is active and not in debt. If you have outstanding payments, you may need to settle those first. Step 2. Request a PSC code. Contact Vodafone to request your porting authorization code PSC. You can do this via the customer service number or through the app. They are required to provide this code within 1 working day. Step 3. Sign up with 3. Once you have your PSC code, go to a 3 store or their website to sign up for a new plan. Provide your PSC code during the sign-up process. Step 4. Insert your new SIM. After you receive your 3 SIM card, insert it into your phone. Make sure your phone is unlocked if you are using it with Vodafone. Step 5. Wait for the transfer. Your number should be transferred within 1 working day. Keep your Vodafone SIM in until the transfer is complete to avoid any downtime. Sometimes, the transfer can take longer if there are issues with your account, so it's good to keep an eye on your old number until you receive confirmation. I hope this guide helps you make the switch easily. Enjoy your new plan with 3UK.